Cardi B and Bruno Mars just released another banger called Please Me. Today's episode of Trackout Tuesday is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to break down the vocals and how to recreate these exact harmonies and the same sound that Bruno Mars gets in this song and many other songs that he has. Coming right up. Let's go. Okay, so Please Me by Bruno Mars and Cardi B. Like I said, this is going to be a different kind of episode of Trackout Tuesday. Normally I do instrumental breakdowns. This episode I'm going to be doing a vocal recreation, if you will. And I'm going to be doing that actually live right now. I already went ahead and downloaded the Please Me instrumental that was made by somebody else. So this was reproduced by Diamond Style, Beats by Diamond Style. You guys should go check them out if you want to download this instrumental. You know, I want to give my shout out because I'm doing my part. You know, I hate when people don't give me credit, so I got to give credit where credit's due. But we're going to come over here in Garageband because this is where I work at. And we're going to go ahead and listen to this instrumental real quick. Maybe. There you go. That's it. And it's a pretty legit instrumental, I must say. I'm very happy with this. It doesn't sound like a karaoke. You know what I'm talking about. So I already set the key of the song. It is in F sharp minor major. I will figure that out later. As you know, I'm not really good with the knowing which is which in terms of words, but sounds, I got it. Don't shoot me. I imported the track here and we have our compressed vocal. Make sure the pitch is up. I'm going to do it to about 80. And we're going to go ahead and try and re-record this stuff. Let me get the lyrics first though. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Please. Okay, so this is just a melody. We're gonna start off with the lead vocal. That's what we're gonna do, and this will be the melody throughout the whole chorus, and then I'll get into the harmonies after that. So let's just get this down. Please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Please, please. Okay, that might be a little bit loud. I think that might be good. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. Yeah. You know what I want and what I need. No. What I need, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. That's better. Please. Yeah. Please. And now we're gonna get into the harmonies. See me, baby. We're gonna come to the original song here and check out the harmonies. Tease me, baby. It's kind of like the lead that we just recorded, but it's holding the notes out longer. We're gonna go ahead and record that right now. So please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Please me, baby. Forgive me, I'm a little bit sick, but we're gonna get it. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Let's hear it out. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Actually, that sounds pretty good. Baby, baby, baby. So it's like an alto. No, yeah, alto. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Please me, baby. Okay, we got an unchecked limited key on these two because yeah. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Yeah, let's listen. Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. No, let's do the tenor first. Please me, baby. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. Please Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. So my harmonies are a lot like this. When I'm recording harmonies, I usually go with the basic like 3-part harmonies, soprano, alto, tenor. But then there's like that baritone note or that second alto, whatever range it's in, that sneaks in there and it's kind of singing its own little thing it's kind of sneaking in between 2 notes, and it gives the chords a lot more. I say this all the time, but fullness, dynamics, more character. Please me, babe. Tease 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 me, babe. All right, let's hit this last one, see if it completes the chord for me. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. A little bit flat. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. For those of you who haven't seen my how to record vocals and harmonies video, I'll probably link that somewhere here if I can remember. But basically what I'm doing is when I record my harmonies, I record 4 stacks per note just to give it fullness. And what I do with those 4 stacks is you don't want to keep it all down the middle. You want to pan each stack. So it's going to be 100 panned to the left, 100 panned to the right, 50% pan to the left, and then 50% pan to the right. And that way you get this full nice surround sound. I made a whole video about it. You can go check that out for the details, but that's what I'm doing in this process. And you want to record, you can't copy and paste these notes after recording it once. You can't record it once and then copy and paste it 3 more times, because it's just going to sound like one voice. You have to record it individually to get the full sound. That's what they do in the studio. That's what Bruno Mars did. I can guarantee you that 100%. Okay, I'm 1,000% sure, Maury. Okay. Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. That sounds legit. It needs to be mixed, but. Tease me, baby. Tease me, baby. Let's see if we limit this to key, because I don't like those, baby, and I don't feel like re-recording them. Tease me, baby. Yeah. Tease me, baby. Ooh-wee. And I'm gonna record this lead up here because I want to add that chorus effect that he has on his voice in the actual song. Let's go here and add it right now. So we're gonna click on this little pedal right here, pedal board, and scroll down to retro chorus, I believe. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. Let's take this track and we will duplicate. How do I duplicate? Okay, so Command D, duplicate that so we get all the same settings, and we'll record this again. Please me, please me. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Just to please me, baby. Okay, I like that. Tease me, baby. Really full. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I pay close attention to details. So when I'm recording these stacks right here, I always want to make sure that I have the lead vocal recorded as well, because it just puts that seal of approval, I guess, on the harmonies that you have. So whatever melody you're stacking upon with the other harmonies, you want to make sure you have that melody also recorded as the lead. You don't just want to have the 4 vocal parts doing it by themselves when it comes to these harmonies. You want to make sure that whatever the melody of the track is, or the part, the section, whatever it is, whatever the melody is, like the main notes, stack that 4 times, but then also record one on the lead vocal, because it'll bring out the it's like the seal. It's like you're sealing the deal. I don't know how to explain it, guys. This is how I explain stuff. So, but just listen. Please me, baby. Tease me, baby. Like it sounds good, but if you put in the lead also. Please me, baby. Hear that difference? Tease me, baby. So it kind of reinforces this is the melody. This is what everybody in the clubs and everybody singing this song is supposed to sing. Please me, baby. That's how I know that's the note I'm supposed to sing, because it's the most emphasized part. It's the most accentuated part of the notes. Look at me using big words today. So I also added that chorus effect because he does have a little bit of a chorus effect if you actually listen. It's like a chorus or like a really close reverb. Not like super echoey, but it's like a really tight reverb. Right now it's on vintage. I want to see if I can recreate that. So. Promise me, baby, turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Please, promise me, baby, turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Promise me, baby, turn around and just I think that's it right there. So I went ahead and recorded the little intro, the oh yeah, and all that stuff. And then I recorded the oohs at the end of the chorus. The rest of the song is, just rapping and leads and stuff. So it's not really that hard to replicate that. And so far, this is what I came up with. Yeah, come on. Promise me, baby, turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need. Right here, go. Boom. So there it is, and I'll play the acapella for those, so you guys can actually hear the harmonies by itself. Listen to this massive harmony. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Please. I am ill, bro. And I just did that in probably like 30 minutes. I love doing this stuff. I love breaking down these songs. So I just wanted to do something a little bit different for this week's episode of Track Out Tuesday, to break down the vocals and how to do the vocal parts of this stuff and how to replicate the sound that Bruno Mars gets on this Please Me song. So as always, guys, stay legendary, be legendary, and just please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby.